Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I'm Amelia. We have a really fun recipe for you today. This is a cupcake recipe and you can flavor it any way you want. Today I am doing a chocolate cupcake with a blackberry buttercream. It's really fun and this is actually a really great recipe to do with your kids. So come on, let's do this. So we're gonna start off with our buttercream, and this is a vegan buttercream that I am doing today. It is actually the world's best vegan buttercream, but you can do this non-vegan by just substituting out your regular butter. And the great thing about this recipe and Amoretti flavors is you can flavor it however you want. Just swap out for your favorite flavor. Today I am doing Blackberry Artisan because it pairs really beautifully with my chocolate cake, but you can do anything you want. The possibilities are limitless. All right, so we're gonna start off with our mixer. We are going to put in half a cup of cold cubed butter and a pinch of salt, and we're gonna let our mixer do some work for us. 1 or 2 minutes, just whip it up and get a nice consistency. All right, let's put in my butter. I'm gonna put in a pinch of salt, lock that, and let it whip up on low for about a minute or two so it can start to look like a nice whipped butter for us. So our butter has whipped up pretty nicely, so we are going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar, but we're gonna do it 1 cup at a time. All right, as soon as you see that your butter has picked up almost all of the powdered sugar, go ahead and add your 2nd cup. Okay, so now we're gonna add our flavorings in. We are going to add 1½ teaspoons of Amoretti's vanilla extract, and this one is like our favorite one. We use it in almost every recipe, and that's our vanilla Madagascar bourbon. So we're gonna use 1½ teaspoons of this. And then we're also gonna do a tablespoon of Blackberry Artisan. Again, you can swap this out if you like the combination of wild strawberry. Our wild strawberry is fabulous. And this adds nice sweetness, tartness, and bold, beautiful flavor, and a little bit of color to your buttercream. Okay, so our buttercream is done. So let's put this in a piping bag. It's a really simple, easy thing to do, and it makes your cupcakes look fabulous. So let's do it. So let's make our mini cupcakes. I have this cute little mini cupcake maker. It is awesome and it's fun and it's really fun for kids. It is still very hot, so you have to be careful. I wouldn't recommend your kids putting the cupcakes into them, but it's really fun, different way of making cupcakes. Okay, so we just need to fill this with our chocolate batter, and I've done this batter many times. This is my go-to cake batter, and you can see that linked below in the description. I've made notes of how to change it out if you wanna change the flavor, add something to that's all in the notes. So the easiest way to do this recipe with kids and a mini cupcake maker is to use a piping bag. That's just the easiest, most mess-free way of doing things. And this is a thick batter. That's just how it goes with my vegan, gluten-free batter, and you can use it with a lot of different things. It really holds up. All right, so once it's in there, you can just push it down and then cut your little tip. All right, so we're just gonna pipe these into our mini liners. Apply a little bit of pressure. And these are gonna be covered with the beautiful buttercream, so you don't have to be too worried about what the tops look like. And then we'll just pop these into our mini cupcake maker for 9 minutes. Okay, these have been in for 9 minutes, so we're gonna pull them out, and they look so cute. You can see how the top's kind of just puffed up beautifully. And it's easy, it's quicker than cooking in the oven, so I just recommend using tongs because they are pretty hot. Okay, let's decorate these. These ones have had a few minutes to cool, so we're just going to pipe some buttercream on them and we're gonna decorate them. This is the really, really fun part. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put some pressure on the top of our bag, also into the middle of our bag, and we're just going to go in a circle and apply a little bit of pressure and then up to the top and whoop. And we're gonna add lots of fun sprinkles and anything you want to make this like holiday and festive. So just don't worry about it being perfect. All right, let's add some fun stuff. I found these really fun holiday sprinkles just at my local grocery store. And so they have like little twinkle lights, they have gingerbread men, little tiny Christmas trees, little stars. So just go crazy, do whatever is fun for you. I really like the way these little lights look. So I'm just gonna put a few on each cupcake, look like they're lit up, which would be really fun if you did like a green buttercream, so this looked like a cute little tree. You can even pipe with certain tips, you can pipe a little Christmas tree. That would look so cute. And I'm gonna add a little bit of edible glitter just for that extra something. And sometimes you'll see people on like the food channel, they'll like have this nice little brush and they'll dust. If you don't have a paintbrush specifically in your house for edible glitter, you could just use a toothpick or anything that you have and just sprinkle it on. But a toothpick works really well. And you just kind of dust it on for a little more whimsy. So here is our beautiful buttercream frosted chocolate cupcake, a mini cupcake. It's so cute. I can't resist. I have to take a big bite. So sorry, you're gonna see a big face of buttercream. The Blackberry is one of my favorite flavors here. It's so punchy and it's got that nice acidity to like balance. The artisans are really great for buttercream because it comes through. And the chocolate cake isn't too sweet, so it balances really nice. I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button, please. And you can subscribe to our channel because we come out with new recipes every single day for the holiday season. You can also follow us on social media for our most recent updates, and we are at Amoretti on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Happy holidays! See you later, bye!